Hi there, it's Ellie from Elfsight. Let's build your banner widget and install it on your website with no coding in less than 2 minutes. Let's jump in and see how it works. Go to elfsight.com and open the Widgets menu. Find Banner. Then click Create Widget to open the live editor. From here, you can start building your widget right away. Open Builder to manage your banner content. Here you can edit the existing blocks like heading, text, spacing, and button, or click Add Element to add new items to your banner. Next, go to Layout. Choose vertical or horizontal, then adjust the width, alignment, and padding to make the banner fit your website perfectly. Finally, open Settings. Here you can add custom CSS or custom JS if you need advanced styling or extra functionality. Finish the setup. Hit Add to Website to move on. Next, sign up or log into your account. Click Publish, then choose the free or paid plan to continue. You'll see a pop-up with your installation code. Click Copy Code. You can install the widget on your website. If you need more detailed instructions, you can check out our tutorials, where you'll find step-by-step guides on embedding plugins into templates, specific WordPress pages, and other platforms. Your app can also be shared via a direct link. If you'd prefer not to set it up yourself, simply ask for a free installation from our support team. We'll take care of all the technical steps and make sure your plugin is up and running. Now, let's add the widget to your website. Open your website's admin panel and go to the code editor. Paste the installation code right before the closing /body tag. Below the code, you'll also find guides for installing on any major platform, like WordPress, Shopify, or Wix. Save your changes, refresh the page, and your banner is live. And that's it. Your banner is ready for visitors. All set in just a few minutes. Enjoyed the video? Support Elfsight, like, subscribe, and ask us anything in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.